Door opened, officers enter, questions follow. So, if someone hands the police your front door key, is that the same as permission? Welcome to 99 Rights Online. Here's how one open door turned into a Supreme Court question. This is Illinois versus Rodriguez. Let's crack it open. In 1985, Gail Fisher tells Chicago cops her ex, Edward Rodriguez, beat her. She says she lives at his apartment and gives them the key. Cops walk in, no warrant, and find drugs. Boom, Rodriguez is arrested. But here is the plot twist. Fisher didn't live there anymore. So Rodriguez argues, that search was illegal. She had no right to let them in. The Supreme Court had other ideas. They ruled, even if Fisher was wrong, the search was still valid because the cops reasonably believed she had authority. The Supreme Court said, if officers reasonably believe the person has authority, the search stands, and this is called apparent authority. So, what is apparent authority, sometimes called authority reasonably believed to exist, focuses not on the truth, but on the reasonableness of the officer's belief. Suppose an officer reasonably believes the person who consents has authority over the premises. In that case, the consent can validate a warrantless entry or search even when the consenting person actually lacks legal authority. This is compared against actual authority, which exists when a person truly has permission to act for the owner or occupier of a place or property. It can be express, spoken or written permission, or implied, customary roles or prior arrangements that reasonably include that power. Why it matters? It trades strict Fourth Amendment privacy for practical police action. And this case set a major precedent. It means your roommate, ex, or even a guest could let cops into your space, if police reasonably think they have the right. For law students, file this under fun hypotheticals to own on exams. Memorize, apparent authority, sage objective reasonableness, not psychic truth. So a PSA or bottom line, your friend of a friend can accidentally invite legal trouble. If someone with keys or convincing swagger lets police in, courts may side with the cop's reasonable belief, even if the invitee was lying or mistaken. Translation: protect your door like it's your last slice of pizza. Know who has keys, and know your rights. If you learned something today, hit that like, share it with someone who needs it, and follow 99 Rights Online for more legal drama. Because in the courtroom or on the street, knowledge isn't just power, it's protection.